Welcome at Pizza and More. Maybe you made already the same experience like me. When I invite guests, so my friends or my family, for eating pizza, they always choose exactly the same toppings. They want to have their salami pizza, they want to have their ham and mushrooms pizza, always exactly the same variant. And to bring here a bit of difference into play, I made a menu with lots of different pizza variants, and I sent them beforehand this menu and asked them, please choose whatever you want and try and taste something different. And this is exactly what I want to show you here on the channel as well. Lots of different variations of fantastic pizza, what I personally think they should be on each menu. I'm Jürgen and I make together with you today one of my most preferred pizzas, the Quattro Formaggi. Well, the pizza with 4 different variants of cheese. I love cheese. I could eat cheese in big portions, but on this pizza or on the pizza Quattro Formaggi, even I have to be a bit careful and not to overload the pizza with cheese, because if the pizza with cheese is overloaded, then it tastes but not that delicious as it could if the cheese is not that much as it was on my first pizza, of course. Over the time, I will show you and I will make here on my channel different versions of Quattro Formaggi, because it depends always which cheese you prefer. We have also the possibility to make the Quattro Formaggi red or white, which means either with tomatoes or without tomatoes. The variant we make today of our Quattro Formaggi is without tomatoes. As base we use Pecorino cream. Then we use some Mozzarella Fior di Latte, some goat cheese, which will be caramelized, and some Gorgonzola, the sweet Gorgonzola, Gorgonzola dolce. If you want to have it a bit more heavy, this Gorgonzola, then you could also use the Gorgonzola picante. Or if you even don't like any blue cheese, the Gorgonzola is a blue cheese, then you could eat some other camembert or whatever on this pizza. And now I would say, let's start. What I wrote in the video description, so all the measurements in the video descriptions are only roughly recommendations you could eat. If you want to have more, if you want to have less, then you have to variety the amount of cheese you can eat, whatever, or the amount of cheese could as you want. Here I have, as I said already, the fresh grated Pecorino. To the fresh grated Pecorino we pour some hot but not boiling water. We have to be here a bit careful that it's not too liquid, because we want to have a cream and not a soup. And as soon it's creamy enough, it's enough water, then it's not necessary to add more. I think this is from the consistency okay as it is, and I let this now as it is. I won't say now too much things about the dough, because this video should be about the toppings on the pizza. If you are interested how to take the dough ball out of the box, or how to create the dough, or how to shape the pizza, please have a look on my channel. There are lots of different videos available where I show most of the things already. But I form now the pizza like it is normal for a Neapolitan pizza. So as I said, we make a white pizza. This is without any tomatoes. We add here our Pecorino cream. Then a bit of olive oil. And the Mozzarella Fior di Latte. And as I said, don't overload the pizza with cheese, even if it's a Quattro Formaggi. As next, some Gorgonzola dolce, or even if you like any other Gorgonzola. As next, the goat cheese. I have here a roll of goat cheese. It is a bit like camembert. And as we want to have the camembert or the goat cheese a bit caramelized, there is some brown sugar. And then some fresh grated black pepper. And it's time for the oven. To launch the pizza, take some semolina onto the peel. Then push the peel under and shape the right form. And then it's time for the oven. And as you can see, I have to bake in the electro oven, which means the weather is bad today. And I have to bake inside. The temperature of the oven is again 450 degrees. This was now the video about my version of the Quattro Formaggi. Please stay tuned. Some other videos with different version of Quattro Formaggi will follow. And of course, lots of different versions for delicious and nice pizzas will follow. If you like this video, or if you like my videos, it would be fantastic and I would be really happy if you would subscribe my channel. And then we see us in the next video. Ciao!